Data types in Python can be broadly categorized in 5 different types listed as follows: numbers, integers and long integers, floating point numbers or decimal numbers, and complex numbers, which have the imaginary part, Boolean data type, which 0 or 1 or true or false, string, which is a text values, tuples, and lists and dictionaries. And the new here are these data types: tuples, a list which is like arrays, and dictionary. We will see this in the following slide. First, the simple data types are numbers, which means integers, floating point, or complex, and strings, which include characters as strings for length one, characters which mean string of one character. Strings may include many characters, many words like sentences, and boolean, which take the two values 0 or 1 or false or true. Example, here's the example: integers, which is integer values, exist values; floating, which has decimal point, floating point; and complex, which includes the imaginary part, j, which is the square root mean square of -1. And we use complex numbers in geometry, angles. Lists, it's like array. This list name I, which include a list of 1, 2, 3. These numbers, maybe 100 numbers, would be thousands items. This only 3 items. It's like array in C on Visual Basic. And here we know the lists have to initialize it by brackets. These brackets. Tuples, an example here, tier, the tuple of name T, and it includes these items. Also can be 100 items and so on. And it differs in lists of the parentheses. It's included in 2 parentheses. But what the difference between lists and tuples? Lists can be amended, and it's index. So this index of 0, this of 1, and this of 2, and so on. We cannot change the values of the tuples, but we can change the values and amend and add new items to the lists. So this like a read-only file. Dictionaries take this way, this syntax. Start with curly bracket and end with close curly bracket. So each item have 2 things. What these things are: the key and the value. So this item, hello, its key is hello, and its value 1, maybe. And we have here comma. And this item, its key name is there, okay? And the value is 2, and so on. And so on. But no, this is another. The key here is 2, and the value is 15. So we know here the value it take after the key. Okay, this key has no value. Okay, we can put it value by setting this one column and put the value, any value like 24. Okay. Thank you for listening.